Alrighty, the time has come for on-the-ground testing. This means we can finally see the prototype that I have been working on move on the ground, and hopefully under good control. Well, this time I am back in Singapore for a visit. The testing setup that you see here is my bedroom studio. Yep, traveling during COVID is a mess, and this prototype was a little bit damaged in the check-in luggage, so I had to resolder a pin. Anyway, I am all excited for my first on-the-ground test. I thought this line pattern rug is a nice background to contrast the movements. What do you think? Is it too busy? In the first run, my little prototype, wait, I should give it a name. I will call it my little runner. So in the first test, runner got its wheels tangled in the cord and pulls the circuit off.
Test two.
In my second try, I put out less cord on the ground. I left the rest of it on the bench. But runner was so quick and well, once again, the circuit is off. I got my sis to hold on to the cord and try to track runner. And now I can focus on the control and holding the camera to make this video. I had a hard time doing that, and so runner crashed just lightly into the tripod. It took me a while to even switch over to reverse, so that's got to change. By this time, I am starting to get the hang of running the joystick single-handedly. I I think I'm getting a little bit more control now, but oops, sis had to jump out of the way. Finally, I got runner to back up, turn circles to the left and to the right. So the remote control is totally working, and that's the good news. The bad news is that I actually have very little precision control over runner. So ideally, we all want more precise control over movement. The other thing that I learned from today's test is that the turning on a dime feature was pretty cool, but it is not practical. Runner can do this because it is driven on the two rear wheels independently and has one forward tracking wheel. In the real world, would I want to be in a vehicle that turns on the dime or at highway speed? So probably not, and I think uh, neither do my cats. It's just great to pick up on problems. That's what prototypes are for. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the upgrades.